Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make my super delicious sweet and sour chicken wings. Now, let's cook. So guys, here I have my chicken wings, and this is about a pound of chicken wings. Now I'm gonna season my chicken wings with 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm also using half teaspoon of garlic salt, just half teaspoon of that. I'm also going to be using dried parsley flakes, half teaspoon of parsley flakes. I'm also going to be using some all-purpose season, so 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. Cajun season, so another 1 teaspoon of Cajun season. Now guys, I'm also using 1 teaspoon of corn oil. I'm just gonna rub everything in. I love when my chicken is well seasoned. Now guys, I'm just going to place these in a baking tray. And I'm gonna bake these for 20 to 25 minutes at a temperature at 350 degrees. And here you have it guys, all ready to go in the oven. Okay guys, we're gonna be making our sweet and sour sauce for our chicken. Now I'm using 3/4 of a cup of ketchup. Quarter vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You guys can go ahead and use brown sugar if that's what you have. Now I'm just mixing this all around. Just whisking it guys. Now I'm gonna be adding this to the stove. So guys, I add 1/4 of a cup of water. So guys, I add 2/4 of a cup of water. And guys, if you have pineapple juice, you can go ahead and substitute the water for pineapple juice. It's perfect with that. It's just that I didn't have any, so yeah. I'm gonna add my sauce to that pot. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm adding a tablespoon of red hot sauce just to give it a little kick. And you don't have to do this. This is rather optional. Now you're just gonna allow this to boil until it's reduced and become a bit thickened. And here's our wings guys out of the oven. These are cooked all the way through. Now we're gonna be tossing these in that sweet and sour sauce. Now guys, here I'm tossing the chicken in the sauce, and the sauce was amazing. Had I used the pineapple juice, oh my goodness, it would have been bomb. Regardless, it was amazing, but that pineapple juice, it would have just take it to another level. Yeah, it would have just really took it there. But guys, if you have the pineapple juice, just go ahead and do that, because honey, So good, man. So guys, these are our wings after it's been tossed in that beautiful sweet and sour sauce. I went ahead and I topped that off with some dried parsley flakes. It was just a super easy recipe, guys. Super easy, and it was so delicious. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.